Okay, let's look at this question. 10 boys played a game, spin the wheel in a street fair. Numbers from 0 to 6, both inclusive, so 7 possibilities were written on the wheel. Every player had to spin the wheel thrice, and a total score of a player was equal to the sum of the numbers appearing on the wheel in 3 spins of the wheel. The player with an even total score were awarded a prize money equal to 5 times their total score, while players with an odd total score were not awarded any prize money. So, in case you end up with an odd score, you don't get any money. The table below shows the score of each player in the first and the second spin. Now, I've gone ahead and created this huge table here. Okay, first thing, no two boys had the same total score in the game, which is to say, all the values here have to be unique. Okay, exactly one boy got the same score in all 3 spins, while all others got different score in each spin. Now, who can be that boy who got the same score in all 3 spins? It is only Vinod, because he's the only one who has 2 exact same scores in the first 2 rounds. So Vinod's total score is 9. This is no. Okay, and everybody else is getting a different score than the score that they obtained in one of the first 2 rounds. Okay, Vivek's total score was 5. Vivek's total score was 5, which means in the third spin he got a 1, which is not the least among all the total scores. This is not least. Okay. Highest total was 14. Now, highest total being 14, who can achieve that highest total? Pawan with 6-2, he will need another 6 to get to 14, but he cannot get a 6 because you cannot get the same score as you got in one of your first 2 spins. Ravi can potentially get to 15 by getting a 5. So, possibility is Ravi. Ashish cannot get to 14. Amit cannot get to 14 because he will need 2, 6, 6, and 6 is not possible. Abhishek cannot get to 15. Adit with 3, 6, and 5 can get there. Ravi would need a 5 in the next round. Adit would need a 5 in the next round. Ayush would need a 5, 6, 3. Ayush would need a 3 to get to 14. And Ridan can't get there. So these 3 people can potentially get to 14, which is given. In the third spin, no one was able to score more than 4. And this is interesting because we had identified Ravi, Adit, and Ayush can be the potential 3 people who reach the total score of 14. But because nobody can score more than 14, Ravi reaching 14 is not possible. Adit reaching 14 is not possible. So the person who is reaching 14 is necessarily Ayush. He scores a 3 here and he reaches 14 here. And he gets a total of 70 here because people who had an even score were awarded prize money equal to 5 times the total score. So he gets 70 rupees awarded here. Okay. This is done. Highest score was 14. We have already got that. In his third spin, no one was able to score more than 4. Okay. No one had a total score of 13. Okay. No two boys whose names start with A scored the same number in the third spin. The lowest total score was achieved by the boy whose name starts with A. Okay. Now look at the boys whose names start with A. It is Ashish, Amit, Abhishek, Adit, and Ayush. These are the people whose name starts with A. Now, the conditions that we have are the score obtained in the third spin can lie between 0 to 4. So potential scores are 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 3 is already allocated to Ayush. So the remaining 4 boys can't get that. Now for Ashish, because he already has a 0 and a 1, the potential scores he can get here are 2 and 4. The potential scores that Ashish can get are 2 and 4. But we also know no 2 boys had the same total score in the game. And 5 is already allocated to Vivek. Vivek has already scored a 5. So Ashish cannot get a 4 in the third spin. Ashish cannot get a 4 in the third spin. He has to necessarily get a 3. This also takes care of the fact that Vivek is not the least. Okay. Let's look at Amit. 2 is no longer available to A kids. Amit can get a 0. He will reach 8, no problem. Amit can get a 1. No. If Amit gets a 1, he will reach 9, and 9 is already allocated to Vinod. So he can get a 0 and he can get a 4. We can't be certain, but these 2 possibilities exist for Amit. Okay, let's look at Abhishek. Can he get a 0? No, he can't get a 0. He can't get a 0 because then his score will be identical to Ashish. Can he get a 1? Yes, he can potentially get a 1. He can potentially get a 1. His total score will be 4. Can he get a 4? Yes, he can get a 4. This is also uniquely identified. And for Adit, finally, he's at 9. Currently, he's at 9. Can he get a 0? No. Can he get a 1? Possibly. Can he get a 4? Possibly. 3, 3, 6, and 4. No, he can't get a 4. Look at Adit. This is interesting. Adit, can he get a 0? No, because then his total score will be 9, which will be same as we know. Can he get a 1? Possibly. 3, 6, 1 is 10. That is fine. Can he get a 4? 3, 6, and 4 is not possible because no one had a total score of 13. So the only score that Adit can get is 1. The only score that Adit can get is 1. If the only score available to Adit is 1, then the only score available to Abhishek is 4. If the only score available to Abhishek is 4, the only score available to Amit is 0. And now we have 8 here, we have 7 here, and we have 10 here. So this fellow would have received 40 rupees as prize money. This fellow would have received 50 rupees as prize money. This much is ascertained. These people have no prize money because their totals are odd. Okay. Okay. Now let's look at other things. Look at Ridhan first. I'll read the last line later. Look at Ridhan now. Ridhan, if he gets a 0, he will be at 5. Not possible. If he gets a 1, he'll be at 6, which is possible. If he gets a 2, he'll be at 7, which is not possible. If he gets a 3, he'll be at 8, which is not possible. If he gets a 4, he'll be at 9. Not possible. And you cannot get a score higher than 4. So 0 is not possible, 2 is not possible, 3 is not possible, 4 is not possible. The only possibility is you get a 1 here so that your total score becomes 6 and you win 30 rupees as prize money. Okay. The only two people about whom we are not sure so far are Pawan and Ravi. And we have information about Pawan and Ravi. Pawan and Ravi did not score the same points in the third spin. Okay. Now, right now, Pawan, can he get a 0? No, he will reach 8. Can he get a 1? No, he will reach 9. Can he get a 2? No, because 2 was already present in the first two spins and a total of 10 is already obtained. Can he get a 3? Possibly. 11 can be obtained. And can he get a 4? Possibly. A total of 12 would be obtained. Either 11 or 12. Either 11 or 12. Let's look at Ravi now. Can he get a 0? No, because 9 cannot be obtained. Can he get a 1? No, because 10 cannot be obtained. Can he get a 2? Possibly. Can he get a 3? Possibly. Can he get a 4? No, because nobody scored 13. So 3, 6, 4 is not possible. In which case, his total score would be 11 or 12. Now pay attention. I will color it. Hopefully you can see this is one case. If he gets a 3, he gets a 11. But if he gets 3 and he gets a 11, now Ravi cannot get 11. So Ravi will have to get a 12. Ravi will have to get a 12. And in order to get a 12, Ravi would need 3 here. But the instruction given to us was Ravi and Pawan did not score same point in the third spin. So I cannot have the case of 3 and 3 being scored. This is an unacceptable case. Which is to say, Pawan scored 4 in the third spin, Ravi scored 2 in the third spin, and the total scores obtained here is 12, here is 11, here is 12, here is 11. This fellow would have won 60, and this fellow would not have won any prize money. We now have all the prize money won, all the numbers obtained in every spin. We can get to individual questions. How many points did Pawan get in the third spin? Pawan got 4 points. What is the difference between the prize money awarded to Amit and Ayush? Amit has 40, Ayush has 70. The difference in their prize money is 30. Who had a total score of 7? Total score of 7 was obtained by Abhishek. What was the total score of Ridhan? Ridhan had a total score of 6. And that is the entirety of this set.